Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech Made Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert a registered sign symbol on your Microsoft Excel mobile. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to insert a registered sign symbol in Microsoft Excel, I just going to show in this short video. So first of all, I just open this document here, just going to zoom inside this, and now click inside the thing here and just double tap here. Now you just need to click on the number section here, and now you just need to click on the equal section, the symbol section here, to insert the registered sign symbol. Here you can just insert a registered sign symbol. If you just need another way of inserting the registered sign symbol, you can just use your keyboard as emojis. So here just type as registered or the GI, you can find the symbol. So these are the two ways that you can insert a registered sign symbol on your Microsoft Excel mobile, because there is no insert symbol option present on the Excel mobile. So you can just use this. There is only a insert chart option like that, and there is no insert symbol option present here. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.